There's a category of jewelry that whispers elegance rather than shouts. Pieces so timeless and pure, they become the very definition of refined beauty. We're talking about Mikimoto Pearl Jewelry. Whether it's the iconic Akoya cultured pearl earrings, the radiant strands of pearl necklaces, or delicate bracelets and rings, each Mikimoto piece symbolizes patience, nature, and the human dedication to perfection. But how are these exquisite pearls cultivated, selected, and transformed into the luxurious pieces that define the Mikimoto legacy? Today, we're diving into the story of craftsmanship, marine science, and artistry that bring these treasures to life. Welcome to the world of cultured perfection. Let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around until the end to learn some fascinating facts you never knew about Mikimoto pearls. Our story begins with Kokichi Mikimoto, the man who revolutionized the jewelry world. In 1893, Mikimoto successfully created the first cultured pearl in Japan, forever changing the future of fine jewelry. His dream was simple: to adorn the necks, ears, and wrists of women around the world with the most beautiful pearls ever seen. The Akoya oyster became the cornerstone of this vision. Native to Japan's waters, the Akoya oyster produces pearls known for their high luster and perfectly round shape. Over a century later, Mikimoto's legacy lives on, with every piece of pearl jewelry carrying a founder's spirit of innovation and pursuit of perfection. The journey of a Mikimoto pearl begins deep beneath the surface of Japan's pristine coastal waters. It starts with the careful selection of Akoya oysters, raised from larvae in controlled hatcheries until they're strong enough to be transferred to the sea. Once matured, each oyster undergoes a delicate procedure: the implantation of a small round nucleus, usually made of mother of pearl, and a piece of mantle tissue from a donor oyster. This is the catalyst that will trigger the formation of a pearl. The oysters are then suspended in nets and returned to the sea, where they're monitored and nurtured for up to 2 years. During this time, layers of nacre build up around the nucleus, forming a pearl with luminous depth and shine. Fun fact: less than 5% of Akoya oysters will produce pearls of Mikimoto's quality. The selection process is as strict as it is scientific. After years in the ocean, the moment of truth arrives: harvesting. Oysters are carefully brought to the surface and opened by hand. Inside, hidden within their soft tissues, lie the pearls, each one a surprise. Trained pearl graders at Mikimoto examine each pearl immediately. They assess shape, size, color, surface quality, and most importantly, luster. Only pearls that meet the brand's legendary standards are selected for jewelry. Those that pass are gently cleaned and cataloged. Others may be used for different purposes or returned to the sea to recover for future harvests. Fun fact: Mikimoto uses a proprietary 7-grade system to sort pearls, a process that combines scientific analysis with the eye of a trained expert. Making pearl jewelry may seem simple, but in the world of Mikimoto, it's an art form. Matching pearls to be identical in color, shape, size, and luster is one of the most challenging aspects of pearl jewelry making. Whether it's a pair of earrings or a full strand necklace, it's a meticulous, manual process that takes years to master. Experts may sift through thousands of pearls just to find pieces that harmonize perfectly for Mikimoto standards. Color and overtone: those subtle hints of rose, silver, or cream must be harmonious. The luster must be equally radiant, and the shape as close to a perfect sphere as possible. Fun fact: master pearl matchers at Mikimoto can detect subtle differences in tone and luster that most people would never notice. Once a perfect match is selected, the next step is drilling and setting. Drilling a pearl is a task that requires steady hands and nerves of steel. The hole must be centered with pinpoint accuracy, or the pearl symmetry will be thrown off. Too much pressure can crack the nacre, too little, and the post won't hold. Mikimoto artisans use specialized tools and microscopes to guide the drill bit. Each pearl is secured and marked before being pierced. Once drilled, the pearls are mounted onto high-quality precious metal settings, usually 18-karat white or yellow gold. The posts, clasps, and chains are polished and tested to ensure they're both secure and comfortable to wear. Fun fact: Mikimoto uses a tiny dab of a special adhesive in addition to mechanical securing to make sure each pearl stays perfectly in place for decades. With the pearls mounted, each piece of jewelry undergoes a final inspection. Artisans gently polish the pearls, ensuring a flawless, mirror-like finish. The metal is buffed to a soft glow. Then, under bright lights, a final quality control expert examines the jewelry for imperfections invisible to the naked eye. If approved, Each piece is nestled in Mikimoto's iconic navy blue box, complete with a certificate of authenticity and care guide. Fun fact, each piece of Mikimoto Pearl Jewelry comes with a serial number and grading certificate, allowing it to be traced back to the exact harvest. Mikimoto pearls are more than accessories. They're a symbol of elegance passed from one generation to the next. Worn by royalty, first ladies, and style icons for over a century, Mikimoto Pearl Jewelry has become a rite of passage for many, a first piece of fine jewelry, a wedding day classic, or a treasured heirloom. And through it all, Mikimoto continues to lead the world in cultured pearl excellence, blending traditional craftsmanship with innovation. Now, let's explore a few fascinating facts about Mikimoto Pearl Jewelry. Fun fact number 1. Did you know Kokichi Mikimoto's wife was the first person to ever wear a cultured pearl? She proudly wore her husband's revolutionary creation, marking a historic moment not just in their lives, but in the entire jewelry industry. Fun fact number 2. Did you know Akoya pearls are known for their unmatched mirror-like luster due to the cold waters in which they grow? The low temperatures cause oysters to produce nacre slowly, resulting in pearls with incredibly high luster and depth. Fun fact number 3. Did you know pearls used in Mikimoto jewelry are often rotated during cultivation? This careful rotation ensures that nacre builds up evenly on all sides, resulting in symmetrical, radiant pearls. Fun fact number 4. Did you know the ideal size for most Mikimoto pearl earrings is between 7mm and 8mm? This range strikes the perfect balance between elegance and wearability, making it a universally flattering choice. Fun fact number 5. Did you know Mikimoto maintains one of the strictest pearl selection standards in the world? Only about 1 in every 20 pearls harvested meets the brand's exacting criteria, which is why Mikimoto's name is synonymous with perfection. And fun fact number 6. Did you know Mikimoto pearls have been featured in international exhibitions and museums? Their exceptional quality and cultural significance have earned Mikimoto a place in renowned showcases, highlighting the artistry behind their creation. Fun fact number 7. Did you know Mikimoto was once appointed as an official purveyor to the Japanese imperial family? This honor reflects the exceptional trust and prestige associated with the brand's craftsmanship and heritage. Fun fact number 8. Did you know Mikimoto artisans sometimes spend over a decade honing their skills before becoming master pearl technicians? The craftsmanship behind each piece is a result of years of dedicated training, precision, and passion. Fun fact number 9. Did you know Mikimoto uses sustainable aquaculture practices in its pearl farms? These methods help preserve marine biodiversity and ensure the long-term health of the ocean ecosystems where their oysters thrive. And fun fact number 10. Did you know the famous Mikimoto Ginza main store in Tokyo includes a museum dedicated to pearl history? Visitors can explore exhibits showcasing the evolution of cultured pearls, rare Mikimoto creations, and the legacy of Kokichi Mikimoto himself. So the next time you see a glimmer of light reflecting off a strand of pearls or a perfect pair of earrings, remember what it took to get them there. Years of patient cultivation, meticulous craftsmanship, and a legacy that spans oceans and generations. Would you wear Mikimoto Pearl Jewelry, or do you already own a piece? Let us know in the comments below. If you love this look into the world of luxury craftsmanship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more timeless stories from the world of fine jewelry. Until next time, stay luminous.